I've been asked this a few times by a lot of different people. People I do oil changes for, my own oil changes, family, friends, coworkers, etc. When you're changing out your oil, should you be, I'm using a Wix, should you fill your oil filter before you put it on? Or should you just leave it empty and put it on? My personal opinion, I always fill them. If, Wix, full synthetic by the way, I think of it like this. This filter is empty when you bought it. Fill it, put it on, turn the key, start it. You have no loss of oil pressure whatsoever in those first few crucial seconds of startup. If it's empty, it's going to take a few moments to fill this up. Over time, is this going to deteriorate and cause problems with your engine? Maybe, maybe not. It's going to promote a little bit more wear a little earlier? Possibly. Me, I fill them. If you check out people who race and build race engines, those filters are full. Now, this is an easy install because this one goes straight up. Some of them, I already half filled this. I'm not going to turn it sideways. What do I have here? I guess some of this. If your filter is a side mount, you might have a problem with that. This one here, straight up. So even if it's a side mount filter, I do put a little bit of engine oil in it, and always make sure to do this when you're changing your engine oil filter. Your O-ring, where's your O-ring? Is your O-ring right there? Oil it. Make sure your old one is off of your vehicle, of course. Add oil onto this, so when you do go to remove it later on your next oil change, it comes off nice and easily. That is your oil change tip of the week. Don't drink it. That's not good for you. Cheers. Questions, comments, leave them. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And by the way, 200,000 kilometers, not an oil leak. Toyota Matrix, 1ZZFE engine. Always use the best oils. That's what I always do. Full synthetic. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to fold it down. Finish this thing up. Questions, comments, leave them. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, all that fun stuff. And then I'll go clean up my underneath there, whatever little bit of oil is left anyway. So there we go. Camera is going, is this the stop?